If you ever wanted to start a real streetwear brand with zero inventory and real production power, this is your sign. Go to seller.aoklok.com and sign up in seconds. Inside the dashboard, you'll find our product library filled with premium blanks made for fashion brands. Heavy tees, cargos, hoodies, denims, all ready for customization. Click any blank to see detailed specs like GSM, fabric type, and fit. Then hit Design in Studio. This is where the magic happens. Unlike POD platform that only offers general print, we support over 14 streetwear grid techniques, from puff print to flock, rhinestone, reflective, glow ink, and even stitched on plushes. Just upload your design, choose a technique, and place it visually. No graphic skill needed. Finally, set your price, publish your product, and you are live. Every order is produced, packed, and shipped by us. No minimums, no stress. You bring the vision, we handle the rest. Start building your brand today at AokLok Seller Center.